Walk for so we'll also walk for peace. आप हमको भी बोलो हम भी आएगा walk.
23 को बोनस से आएगा सर.
You already participated. Walk for peace. हमको पहचानता? हाँ सर. चकमा बाबू. Why not? चलो सर. जू. राजा महाराजा. हाँ. होगा चलो. हाँ यहाँ. हो गया. अभी मामू का सर कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा अभी. Last time we walked in the raining season. Every time. Please come, sir. Sadhu. We are so happy to meet our Bubagra Maharaja, His Highness Maharaja. We are very happy, very proud today. Yesterday we have ordained 108 Nuis monks, Bhikkhu Pasampada. After that we walk for peace from Venuvan Buddha Vihar to Ujjain the palace. We are so lucky to meet him, His Highness Bubagraji, and we are meeting frequently many places, and we are so happy to see here because Venerable Achan from Thailand, he also happy to see our Maharaja. And this is the very, very auspicious for all of us. Because of Maharaja who built Buddha Vihara, we are able to stay here. We did not invite any other people because of religious program. So I will invite some other program to Maharaja to come to our Vihara and some occasion in future. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrutru and Okaza and Swadikha. I want to welcome every one of you. यहाँ में आप लोग आए हैं त्रिपुरा में. Tripura is a land of all religion, of love, of peace, and I welcome you here. And अगर मेरे तरफ से कुछ भी मैं कर सकता हूँ, ये तो by chance, by accident meeting हो गया. तो लेकिन अगर मेरे तरफ से मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, if I can do anything for all of you all who are here, I will be deeply humbled and honored. We all want peace. We want to live in peace. The followings of Lord Buddha, many of you all may not be aware, but we are worshippers of Lord Buddha. And the most important thing that this world requires today is prayer and peace. And if I can do anything for all of you all here, I'll be very happy. And to my guests who have come from Thailand, we say Khulungkha, you say Khapun Khap, but we also want to say Swadikha. And you have a great history, you have a great culture, you come from a very ancient land. We knew it as Siam, and we want you to feel at home. And if there is anything we can do for you or for all of you all who have come from elsewhere, I will be more than happy to host you and look after you. Sadhu, 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 sadhu.
Okay, thank you. Just we will make a puja, short puja for happiness of our Bubagra and happiness of all living beings. Then permit. Okay, read inside. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Sabbe tiyo vivachanto sabbaroga vinasato. Mate bhavatu antarayo sukhe deka yoga bhavam. Bhavatu sabba mangalang rakantu sabba devata. Sabba buddhanubhavena sada sote bhavantu te. Bhavatu sabba mangalang rakantu sabba devata. Sabba dhammanubhavena rakantu sabba devata. Sabba sanghanubhavena sada sote bhavantu te. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. May all beings be happy. Sadhu, sadhu. Okay. बहुत ही खुशी है महाराज हम लोग के साथ मेला है। पीस वॉक यहाँ से शुरू करके हम लोग गेट तक जाएंगे। उसके बाद ये पीस वॉक हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे मनु बनकुल से लेकर आगरतला तक। उस समय हो सकता है हम लोग थाई बांटी के साथ महाराजा के पास एक कप चाय पियेंगे। साधु साधु। थैंक यू। चलो हम लोग का किसी से आ जाओ। रुको। एक मिनट। आज हम लोग आगरतला उज्जैन पैलेस से शुरू करके धम्म यात्रा शुरू कर रहे हैं। पीस वॉक फॉर पीस।
All from Thailand?
One from Laos.
All from Laos. I love food from Ban Lao. Ban Lao food is very good.
Yes.
So we say in our language, Kulung Kha, I think you'll say Swadi Kha. Swadi Kha.
Okay. Thank you so much. We'll move now.
Okay. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Satu. Night.